Another Bundesliga title was sealed on Saturday with Bayern Munich lifting their 9th successive league title and 30th overall. We all know how utterly dominant Bayern have been in the German top flight, and another Bundesliga championship is the testament to the mentality of the team. Hey guys, welcome back to Ballboard and Bundesliga. Bayern Munich are the champions of Germany, all thanks to Borussia Dortmund, who defeated RB Leipzig and enabled Bayern's title triumph. It has been a roller coaster of a season for Bayern, be it the expectations of another treble, the contract situation of David Alaba, or Hansi Flick's departure at the end of the season. So much has happened. In this video, I will take you through some of the facts of Bayern's title triumph that you probably did not know about. It is the 30th Bundesliga title that Bayern have won, as you all know, but not many of you would be aware that all other Bundesliga teams from this season have won 28 league titles combined. Yes, you heard that right. Bayern alone have won more Bundesliga titles than all of the other 17 teams combined. Robert Lewandowski is only one goal away from matching Gerd Muller's tally of 40 goals in a single season. For a foreign player, Lewandowski already leads the tally. The hat-trick against Gladbach also helped Lewandowski go past the 200 goal mark for Bayern in the league, and it only took him 217 games to do so. Thomas Müller and David Alaba have gone ahead of Frank Ribery as the most decorated players in the history of Bundesliga. Both Alaba and Müller now have 10 Bundesliga titles each to their name, whereas the earlier record was 9. Javi Martinez, who is set to leave Bayern at the end of the season, had joined the club in 2012-2013 season. He went on to win the treble with Bayern in the very first season when Jupp Heynckes was in charge. Since joining Bayern, there hasn't been a single season in which Martinez hasn't won a Bundesliga title. 9 seasons, 9 winners' medals. Eric Maxim Choupo-Moting was relegated with Stoke City in the 2017-18 Premier League season, and he has since gone on to win 3 consecutive league titles, 2 with PSG and his first with Bayern Munich this season. Kingsley Coman has never lost a league title in his entire senior career. He made his senior debut in 2013 with PSG before joining Juventus in 2014-15 and Bayern in 15-16. He has won a league title with all of these clubs since the start of his senior career. Since being appointed as a club manager in 2019, Hansi Flick has led Bayern Munich in 84 matches and has only lost 7 times. The Bundesliga title was the 7th major trophy that Flick has won. 7 trophies in 7 defeats. Amazing, isn't it? Thomas Müller has a stunning 18 assists in the Bundesliga this season. No player in Europe's top 5 leagues has more than 13. Müller is famous for his exceptional interpretation of space, off the ball movement, and he's proving exactly why. This Bundesliga title was also the last for some of Bayern's most iconic players. The likes of Jerome Boateng, Javi Martinez, David Alaba. This defensive trio is all set to leave the club at the end of the season, and they are truly among the most decorated players in German football. To end this video, I have a message for all those who call Bundesliga a farmers' league. You know, it is often said that Bundesliga is not competitive enough and Bayern Munich are all but certain to win the title every single year. But what people do not understand is that it is even more difficult to improve on something you already are best at. The hunger to keep yourself going, setting new targets and hitting them even though you are at the absolute top, is the toughest thing there is to do. There is no improvement from there on, and only the finest continue to motivate themselves from there and keep winning. That was all from me today. I hope you guys like this episode. Do not forget to share your views in the comment section, and please click on subscribe as well as the bell icon if you haven't already. I will see you next time around.